Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find batteries in Miside, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Miside is a horror game where you get stuck into a phone game. In order to find the first chapter, you need to get the contraption. There are 4 batteries you have to find and put into 4 different locations. There is a specific order you have to pick these batteries up in this jump scare fit horror game. Each battery will only appear after you find the first one, so there is basically only one battery around the apartment at a time. The first battery will be in the bathroom above the toilet. You will see some text reading, "Can't you see me?" Then it will change to "Want to play?" After a light flicker a little, the writing change the cabinet to the upper left of the bathroom sink will open up. The first battery will be inside it. You will not be able to leave the bathroom until you pick it up. The second battery. The second battery will leave the bathroom and walk through the hallway. This will lead you into the kitchen. The second battery will be on the kitchen counter by the sink. Don't look out of the window. Once you pick it up, the door of the kitchen will no longer lead you into the hallway. It will instead lead you into the living room like it should. 3 or 4 batteries. Once you step out into the living room from the kitchen, the third or fourth batteries will be appear as long as the kitchen door has been closed behind you. There is one TV stand in the living room on the left of the side of the TV. The final battery is inside the refrigerator in the kitchen. Again, the door won't pop up open to let you into the fridge until you have to left the kitchen, then return, and you have to now collected all the batteries in the inside, and that's it, you are done.